In this homework sheet, we are graphing from factored form. So what we have here are the zeros. We wrote down the zeros. We average the zeros to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and this averaging makes sense based on the symmetry of the parabola. And once you have the x-coordinate, you can use the equation to find the y-coordinate, because with any x, you can solve for any y. Once I have x and y, I write it down as the vertex, and then I plot the vertex, plot the zeros as x-intercepts, and I actually know these 2 points are here based on the step pattern. The step pattern is 1/2 because the coefficients are 1 and the number that's been factored out is half, so I multiply them to get 1/2. So the step pattern is 1/2, 3/2, and 5/2, or 5/2. Okay, for B, same thing really. Zeros, average, based on the symmetry. Find the y-coordinate vertex, plot. Here, the step pattern is 2, 6, 10. So I actually plotted the vertex and I went 2 down to, yeah, my first step was -2, sorry. Not 2, 6, 10, it was -2, -6, -10. I forgot about the reflection with respect to the x-axis. Okay, so moving on. I found the zeros by looking at the factors and asking myself what makes a zero. Average the zeros, find the y-coordinate vertex. Really ugly number, but we'll make do. Just estimate. Okay. Yeah, D was also pretty ugly. Found the zeros, average the zeros, find the y-coordinate vertex, which gives you the entire vertex, and this one was really ugly. This one, yeah, it doesn't look really pretty, but try your best. Yeah, I just gave myself 3 points here. Like this will not happen on the test. The only reason I gave you this question was just to practice your algebraic skills. I want to give you some ugly numbers and show you that the algebra is so nice. It's still able or capable of finding you the vertex. Yeah, because you can't do that visually. You can't just look at the graph and estimate the vertex. But if you give me the equation in factor form, I'll be able to do it very nicely. Okay, so in the next lesson, we'll do a bit more algebra.